Starting around 18 November 2023, Axie endlessness really is exchanging at $5.99 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.05% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a quite enormous manner. Axie explicitly has a by and large complete market cap of $852,070,066, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $82,426,764, or so they especially thought. This in a real sense makes Axie vastness, Axie's, sort of positioning at 59 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Axie vastness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Axie endlessness really be for the most part worth in 2023, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Axie endlessness a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is very critical? Will Axie's cost especially outperform its record-breaking sort of high in an unpretentious manner? These really are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future in an unobtrusive manner. Axie vastness, Axie's, value expectation 2023, as per the Axie limitlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost in every practical sense is supposed to basically cross a very normal value level of $6.98, the normal truly least value worth of Axie boundlessness, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $6.72. Which especially shows that truly is Axie endlessness, an especially wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Axie can by and large arrive at a very greatest value level of $7.30, which sort of is very critical. Axie boundlessness value forecast November 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness sort of is basically anticipated to essentially reach at a fundamentally least worth of $6.13 in November 2023, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Axie's cost could especially arrive at a really greatest worth of $6.97, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $6.77 all through 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness, Axie's, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie endlessness basically is certainly anticipated to generally arrive at a by and large normal cost of $6.98, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $7.30 and a genuinely least of $6.72, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness kind of past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been truly diminished by 6.04% in its truly current worth in a huge manner. Assuming we by and large look at the especially current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down, which certainly is very huge. Axie limitlessness fundamentally is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Axie truly is down to nearly 2.04% over the most recent 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical. The coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for most certainly past truly couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't fundamentally believe that it would a productive resource in extremely present moment, so Axie endlessness value expectation November 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach at a sort of least worth of $6.13 in November 2023, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie is especially diminished by 36.273%, killing an incredible especially normal amount of $3.41 from its kind of current worth, showing how starting around 18 November is exchanging at $5.99 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.05% in most recent 1 hour, in a sort of huge manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an especially great in every practical sense, purchase an open door for certainly fast speculation, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how in the event that you in every way that really matters are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Axie boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie limitlessness especially be worth in 2023, or so they truly thought. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 48.94%, And the cost really coursed from a very least essentially normal cost of $10.80 to greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of $12.31 in the sort of beyond 90 days, which especially is very critical. Axie boundlessness explicitly is somewhere near 9.93% with the in every practical sense, greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin basically was around $6.96. And the especially least sort of typical cost of basically was around $6.76 in kind of beyond 4 months, so Axie vastness, Axie's value expectation 2023, as per the Axie limitlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Axie's cost for the most part is supposed to truly cross a truly normal value level of $6.98, the normal truly least value worth of Axie vastness, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to for the most part be $6.72, which especially shows that in every practical sense is Axie endlessness, a sort of wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Axie vastness value estimate 2023 facts what will essentially be Axie boundlessness genuinely worth in 2023, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The Axie's cost generally is estimated to in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest degree of $7.30, with all things considered, least cost of $6.72 toward the finish of 2023, showing how most certainly is Axie vastness, a genuinely wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they really thought. Does Axie vastness explicitly have a future, which truly is genuinely critical? As far as value, Axie endlessness explicitly has a remarkable in every practical sense potential to generally arrive at new levels, exhibiting how the coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for kind of past, especially couple of days, the coin could essentially have areas of strength for essentially yet. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, so Axie limitlessness value expectation November 2023. The cost of Axie vastness truly is really anticipated to reach at least worth of $6.13 in November 2023, which by and large is genuinely huge. It essentially is conjecture that Axies will increment in esteem, so the coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for genuinely past especially couple of days, the coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for essentially in any case, we don't explicitly believe that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment. So Axie limitlessness value expectation November 2023. The cost of Axie boundlessness sort of is explicitly anticipated to truly reach at a truly least worth of $6.13 in November 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. As indicated by essentially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Axie boundlessness can in every practical sense hit the in a real sense the greatest cost of $230.31 till 2030, or so they explicitly thought. Is Axie endlessness for the most part worth purchasing in 2023,